is up, guys? Dallas here. We have another video for you guys today. We will be comparing these two tow hitches that we have right in front of you. To my left, we have the Stihl 180 Pro from WaySafe, and to my right, we have the regular standard hitch from Lowe's. Stay tuned till the end of the video. We will be going over price points to see which do you think is most worth it for you guys. We'll see which gives you more bang for your buck. We'll leave the links down below in our description for both of these hitches, and I'll have you guys decide on which hitch you guys want to look at and purchase for yourself. Start with the Lowe's hitch. This is a standard Lowe's hitch, a drop-down hitch. This is an 8-inch drop at 2-inch shank. We do have a 1/7/8 inch ball on top. And then, of course, we do have two locking mechanisms. One to lock these two pieces together, of course, and then one to lock right here for your hitch. There aren't too many features about this hitch itself, other than it having the option to drop down about 8 inches, and then you changing the ball to whatever ball that you specifically need. So the only thing that actually comes with the hitch itself is just these two pieces together and an end cap to cover that shank, and that's pretty much it. You have to get the ball by yourself, and then the two locking mechanisms as well. One thing I did forget to mention is that the max gross trailer weight that this can hold is only about 6,000 pounds. And then the max weight on the tongue for this ball is only 2,000 pounds. Alrighty, so we will be talking about the Stihl 180 Pro by WaySafe. Let's talk about weight. This thing is heavy. This weighs just about 38 pounds. Can you imagine that? One thing that's great about this hitch itself is that they provide you two different ball sizes on each side. This is a 2.5 that I have right now, and if I wanted to flip it around, there is a 2-inch as well. The 2.5-inch is rated for 22,000 pounds. The 2-inch is rated for only 10,000 pounds. As you can see, we do have another 2-inch shank right here, which allows you to have more attachments for always using that tow hitch. As you can see right here, I went with the soft shackle, and the only reason I went with the soft shackle is because our Tundra does not have any recovery points. So this was one way that I would allow me to have a recovery point without adding anything else to the truck itself. There are other accessories that you can have. I believe they have a bicycle mount, a dirt bike mount, just anything you can think of. If you go on WaySafe, they have a lot of accessories for the hitch itself. This also has a dual pin slider lock. Pretty much makes it easier for you to adjust on where you want the height to be, and yeah. There are other locking mechanisms, as you can see. One that also goes into the shank, and then this one that goes into the other shank for your accessory. As I said earlier, this is a dual pin lock that WaySafe has, and what's great too is that their keys are tubular keys. So that makes it a lot harder for thieves and theft to actually happen compared to your traditional keys. So that's one key point that I really love about when it comes to WaySafe. You know, that actually keeps your hitch safe. And then what's one downfall about Lowe's hitch itself is that they only have the traditional locks. So this lock actually seized up on me a couple times, as for the other one in the back. So that's one downfall. I had to use a lot of WD-40 just to get this open, and kind of just pretty much just wiggling around playing with it. So always make sure you keep your locks lubed. I haven't actually had to lube this one at all, but for the one from Lowe's, I've had to lube it a couple times, and again, it seized on me. But WaySafe's has not seized on me at all. Again, I have not lubed it either. Alright, well, you're watching a tow hitch video, so you might as well see a tow hitch on the truck. And there you have it, and that's exactly what it looks like. And I'm not just being over exaggerating, there is a lot of room in here. I'm sure you can put some tape around it just to make it more stable, but this is exactly what it looks like, and that's your standard hitch from Lowe's. And you got your Stihl 180 Pro by WaySafe. You also got your soft shackle ring. Then again, guys, which I also forgot, you don't need this into here, okay? If you really wanted to, you can always do that, just like that. But if you want it that way, or like this, there you have it. If you guys want to switch this around, you just unlock this, pull it up, turn it around, there you got it. You got your 2-inch hitch. There you go. All right, let's talk price. We are up close and personal to these two tow hitches, one from WaySafe and one from Lowe's. What do you guys think is the most expensive or least expensive? Or what about build quality? Does the build quality match the price of the tow hitch? Well, let's start with Lowe's. The hitch itself is about $48 to $50, but then again, you still need to buy the 2 locking pins and the tow ball. And that'll cost you about just $100. If you got any other place that you can buy a tow ball even cheaper or even the locking pins, and so be it. But the hitch itself is about $48. So either way, give or take, $100. Now, if you guys like the WaySafe, the Stihl 180 Pro, what do you guys think this is gonna run you? Nope. Not even including the soft shackle ring. The hitch itself, with the dual pin lock and the locking pin 2, just one, this will run you about $354 pre-tax. If you wanted the soft shackle ring as well, this is about $70. And then you still need another locking pin. That'll cost you about $30. So yep, if your math is correct, that's a little about $450 pre-tax. So what do you guys think is more worth it? A $450 hitch or a $100 hitch from Lowe's? Again, guys, it all depends on what you guys think is worth it, whether the build quality here or the unstableness here, and very light as well too, compared to this 38 to 40 pounds. Now with the soft shackle ring in it, 45 pounds. Look at that. So let me know in the comments down below what you think is bang for your buck. Well, there you guys have it. That is a comparison between the 2 hitches, one from Lowe's and one from WaySafe. If you guys made it to the end, thank you guys so much. Greatly appreciate it. If you guys want your own product to be compared, or if you guys also want to collaborate, if you guys have a product you guys want me to talk about, I'd be happy to do so. Just feel free to message me. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think, which hitch is better, or your opinions to see which you like best. Remember, folks, I'll have the links down below in our description. Again, feel free to visit our Amazon store. We do get a kickback for that. It definitely does help us have videos just like this for you guys. We love to create more. Well, there you have it. Stay tuned for another video, and we're out of here.